In this question, we're trying to solve the integral of ln of x. The technique we're using here is called integration by parts. The general equation you will use for integration by parts is u dv is equal to u times v minus v du. The reason we're using this rule is that we're given an integral that is a bit hard to solve, and we're breaking the integral down into two parts, the u and the v, and we're transforming this initial integral to something a bit easier to solve, which is the new integral v du. Let's see how it works in our case. Our first step is to pick u and dv. So here we're really just setting a u and dv so that we can rewrite our original integral. So let's say our u is equal to ln of x. Our dv is equal to dx. So you see how we can rewrite this ln of x dx is going to be equal to the integral of u times dv. And from the integration by parts, the equation above, we know that can be written as u times v minus v du. So when we know what is our u, so what is our du going to be? Our du will be the derivative of ln of x, which is going to be 1 over x dx. And our v is going to be the integral of dx. So imagine we're integrating both dx and dv. We're getting v is going to be equal to x. Okay, so now we have our derived value, which is du and v. We can plug into our function, and that gives us u times v, which is these two times each other. It's going to be ln of x times x minus the integral of v du. So the integral of, here we have x times du, which is 1 over x dx. And let's simplify it. We get ln of x times x minus the x and 1 over x got cancelled, so we have the integral of dx, which is equal to ln of x times x minus the derivative of dx is gonna give us x. Then plus c plus our constant. Because it is a indefinite integral. And this will be the answer to our question. By using integration by parts, we're essentially able to transform our original question, ln of x dx, into a much simpler integral, which is just the integral of 1 dx. And this kind of transformation is how integration by parts can help us to solve these type of questions.